Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to set notification sound on Telegram. So you have to just open the Telegram app on the Android device or iOS. When it's open, you have to click to the top left settings of the Telegram. So there is the main settings. So you have to click to the settings and you have to scroll down. There is notification and sounds. So you have to click simply just notifications and sounds. So there is the you can see in the caller section, you have to click to the in caller section ringtone default. So you have to click to ringtone default to set. You can permission allow, and there is the ringtones. So here you can select it of your choice and you will be set ringtone on Telegram like this. So it's very easy and simple. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.